There are more other species in our bodies, living in our bodies, than there are human cells. So this is a very, very important part of our existence. Our internal ecosystem is what breaks down our food. It's what allows us to absorb nutrients. This inner ecosystem is our immune system, right? Because they're all keeping each other in check. All these different species are keeping each other in check. These microbes also protect us from dangerous toxins and pathogens, right? So we need good bacteria to fight bad bacteria, and we need different organisms in our body to help us break down and move toxins that we're exposed to through our body. It's also a communication device, right? Our organisms that live inside different parts of our body are always talking to each other. They're always talking to each other, and they're always giving each other information. So the microbiome in our gut is going to be communicating with the microbiome in our skin, which is going to be communicating with the microbiome in our eyes, which is going to be communicating with the microbiome, around our lungs, right? They're always talking to each other, telling each other things that are going on, sending signals up the vagus nerve and into the brain. We really mean it when we say the gut is the center of health.